Hello, Supergirls, and whomever else is watching this. This is the turkey trot video. So I've done a little bit of research because this is actually the first one that I've done, and I'm so excited about it. I have to say that I have to credit the idea to a ton of other 31 girls out there, especially Melissa Feetsum. She is a video that I watched about this, tweaked it a little bit, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So just so you know, I did not make any of this up. And I'm going to share with you what I've learned so that hopefully you all can be able to do this easily and generate some income for your business, generate the ability to earn that Ready, Set, Sell, which is going to set us up for the new catalog season that starts end of December, January, that hopefully you'll be able to see at the product premiere that you've signed up for. And if you aren't sure yet, the catalog is going to be making some big changes, bigger than they ever have. And one of the things is that they are integrating with Jewel, which is more of a high-end bag line, which I'm so pumped about because there are some people in my life that don't really want to carry a cloth purse, but they'll carry a nice little leather bag, which ours are vegan leather. So they're not real, which is great. And it's super exciting and at a great time. So when I talk about these coupons called a Jewel by 31 launch party, hopefully that will make some sense. So let's get into the turkey trot, okay? All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to identify 12 people. You can also do 6, but I'm going to say 12. You're going to identify 12 people, and you are going to ask each of those 12 people to collect $100 in orders. And then also you're going to ask them to, if they collect over $100 in orders, for every $100 they submit, their name will go in for another gift, so it helps to grow your party. Then what you do is you divide the rewards among all of the participants, and there's 2 little strategies to use here too. You can let the top seller pick what they want as their reward, and then the rest get chosen at random. And then you can also do the first person who submits their order gets to pick. So maybe those 2 people get to pick what they want, and then the rest are at random. So that creates a sense of urgency. So you give them a start and a stop time. And I have those attachments that I'm going to post in the Supergirls page so that you can see those. And I'm just looking at the notes here. Okay, so you identify your people. Then you're going to give them a packet. And I got this from Melissa Feetsum. She did like a web thing, and I just cut and pasted things that I thought would help us. So I'm going to post that for you too. And you're going to give them a packet. And this sheet right here tells you what goes in the packet, things for you to remember, and some little tidbits of information. So this piece of paper right here is going to help you immensely. All right, so then the one thing that does go in the packet, along with the catalogs and the coupons I'll talk to you about, is this. This is the Thanks for Trotting With Me paper. I've also tweaked this a little bit. I'm sending it to you in Word so that you can change your own information on the bottom. I said the closing date's December 2nd. This way you get your Ready, Set, Sell in right away. But the other sort of focus that we all want to have is not just sales and not just Ready, Set, Sell, but we want to be booking parties. And then this goes back to the excitement of the Jewel launch. Like, we don't know what this is. We don't know what it looks like. I know it's going to be amazing. Even if it wasn't there, it would be amazing anyway because we're launching a new catalog, so there's some new excitement. So that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to ask our hostesses when they're identified. We're going to share our excitement with them. And we're going to explain to them that in their packet, there are 3 of these coupons, okay? And I'm probably going to get mine laminated just like Melissa had taught in her video, because, you know, it lasts a little bit longer, looks a little bit nicer. So everybody's going to get 3 of these. And what these are if she can be one of the 3 people, or she can get 3 different people, but when they book a party either in January, and I've also said February, because once I have 4 to 5 parties in my month, that's a full month for me, so I need to go to the next month. So I say my coupons are going to be good from January to the end of February. And when she gets 3 people to book parties, and one of them can be her, I'm going to offer her a gift. And the gift's going to be that if she submits $200 as part of her trot, and she has 3 of these parties booked, I'm going to give her the hostess special for free, which is the large utility tote and the insert. So that'll only be $15 from me, and I'll figure it out so that it's, that's all it is. So even if she doesn't book all 3, at least you have maybe 1 to 2 parties from each trotter, and that'll fill up the January and February. So we can talk about that more, but as always, we want to not just get instant sales, we want to perpetuate our business and keep it going. So I hope that this helps. So I'm going to do a quick review because this is sort of a long video. You're going to identify 12 people. Maybe it's just 6, and that's fine too when you do a $600 party. But you're going to identify your trotters. You're going to give them a packet. You're going to keep in contact with them. That's the key. Keep in contact with the trotters so that they are excited. Send them red stamps along the way. Who's excited? Who's our first one? You're going to create a link on your website so that people can put orders in there, and they just have to let you know when they're there. And then you could also maybe even do an event page for the trotter and have a little bit of friendly competition. So if you have any questions, post them here. I'm going to sign off because we're at 6 minutes. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.